struggle for the crown. Monkeys versus humans in a showdown so renowned. Monkey killed down with puzzlement to law. Humans stealing branches like nothing they saw. Bananas still in hand, the monkeys took a stance within their kingdom against this foreign band. In a leap and a grab, the monkeys are quick, snatching up humans in a daring trick. Into the castle they fought the fight, a clash of two worlds under the jungle light. Monkeys eating bananas high up in the trees, humans standing tall, ready for what they see. Battles in the treetops, chaos all around. Monkeys versus humans, a clash for victory to be found. In the castle's chambers, the fight waged on. Monkeys and humans made the side withdrawn. Banana peels scattered amidst the fierce fray. Who would emerge triumphant at the end of the day? With strategy and valor, humans stood strong. Monkeys fought back with nature's song. But inch by inch, the humans gained ground till victory seemed certain, destiny unbound. Monkeys eating bananas high up in the trees. Humans persevering, fueled by hopes and dreams. Battles in the treetops, a climax to the tale. Monkeys versus humans, the outcome seems to unveil. As the dust began to settle, a clear victor arose. Humans stood triumphant, their determination shows. Monkeys died with aesthetic, in defeat they stood. Another tale of struggle, in a jungle once so good. But it wasn't their scheme. The monkeys played the game, freedom within the smile, pictures the aim. So remember the story of bananas and light, of humans and monkeys in an unforgettable fight. In the heart of the jungle, where legends are spun, a tale of bravery and triumph for battles are won.